So today I'll be showing you how to connect a wireless microphone to your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now every microphone has a receiver and the microphone itself, every wireless microphone. So the receiver should have a Type-C connector, and that goes straight into the Type-C port of your tablet. Like that, okay? And once it connects to the microphone itself, you can have wear the microphone on yourself and you're good to go. It's plug and play. So as soon as you use or launch any app that uses a microphone, it should use your connected microphone. You can see it says recording with external microphone. Anytime you connect a microphone, your voice recorder and your camera app, if you're recording videos, will always prioritize the connected microphone over the built-in microphone. So you don't need to change anything in the settings, just connect. And as long as it's connected, you can tell by the lights on the microphone, you're good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.